Most men destroy attraction without ever realizing they are the reason it disappears. They believe desire is created by constant attention, endless texting, emotional availability, and proving how much they care. So they chase harder. They reply faster. They over-explain themselves. And slowly, the woman who once seemed deeply interested begins pulling away emotionally. What most men never understand is that attraction rarely dies from too little attention. It dies from emotional predictability. The truth is uncomfortable because it contradicts everything men are taught. Women do not become obsessed when they fully understand you. They become emotionally attached when they feel curiosity, uncertainty, tension, and the subtle fear of losing your attention. Human psychology values what feels difficult to fully secure. The moment you become completely emotionally available, the mystery disappears, and with it, the emotional intensity that creates craving. This is not about manipulation. It is about understanding emotional triggers that quietly shape attraction beneath the surface. Every powerful emotional connection contains anticipation, unpredictability, and emotional contrast. Without those elements, desire slowly turns into comfort, and comfort alone rarely sustains obsession. Think about how many times you ruined attraction by trying to protect it. You thought more effort would create more desire, but it often created the opposite effect. You were taught to seek reassurance instead of creating emotional tension, and that mistake silently destroys attraction every single day. The dangerous part is that the behavior usually looks harmless. It feels caring, loyal, even loving. Yet, beneath the surface, it signals emotional dependence, and dependence weakens attraction faster than rejection ever could. Once you understand this pattern, you begin seeing relationships through a different psychological lens. Most men think attraction grows through constant effort. So when a woman begins pulling away emotionally, they instinctively move closer. They send longer messages, reply within seconds, ask for reassurance, and try harder to prove their value. But what feels loving to him often feels emotionally heavy to her. The more available he becomes, the less emotionally stimulating he appears. Attraction depends on tension, not toxic games, but emotional space, uncertainty, and the feeling that someone has a life, identity, and emotional center beyond the relationship itself. The problem with chasing is that it removes all uncertainty. Once a woman feels completely certain that your attention is guaranteed no matter how she behaves, excitement quietly fades. Predictability creates comfort, but mystery creates emotional intensity. You can see this pattern everywhere in modern dating. A man instantly replies to every text because he fears losing connection. He over-explains simple situations because he wants to avoid misunderstanding. He constantly compliments her, constantly checks in, constantly seeks emotional reassurance. Without realizing it, he slowly communicates that his emotional stability depends on her reactions. That dependence changes the entire dynamic. Human psychology naturally values scarcity. People become emotionally attached to what feels meaningful, rare, or difficult to fully secure. This is why emotionally grounded men often create stronger attraction without trying so hard. Their attention feels valuable because it is not endlessly available. Their emotional state feels stable because it is not controlled by validation. The dangerous part is that most men confuse emotional pursuit with emotional strength. They believe chasing proves desire, but excessive pursuit often signals insecurity instead. The harder a man seeks approval, the weaker his emotional position becomes. Women sense that energy immediately, even when nothing is said directly. That is why some men become unforgettable after they stop over-investing emotionally. They stop trying to control every conversation. They stop panicking over delayed replies. Instead of constantly proving interest, they become calm enough to let attraction breathe naturally. Ironically, the less desperate they become for validation, the more magnetic they appear. Women begin wondering what changed. They feel the emotional distance, and distance activates curiosity. Curiosity creates mental replay. Mental replay becomes fixation. Most attraction is not built through attention. It is built in the imagination, where uncertainty keeps emotions alive longer than certainty can. Human beings become obsessed with what feels emotionally unfinished. That is one of the deepest psychological truths behind attraction, and most people never recognize it while it is happening. The mind does not endlessly replay what feels completely secure and predictable. It replays what feels uncertain, incomplete, emotionally unresolved. This is why some people disappear from your life, yet remain in your thoughts for years. The emotional experience never fully closed. Psychologists call part of this intermittent reinforcement. It is the same dopamine mechanism that makes gambling addictive. When rewards become unpredictable, the brain pays more attention, not less. Consistent behavior creates emotional stability, but unpredictable emotional rewards create anticipation. Anticipation increases emotional focus. Emotional focus slowly turns into obsession. This does not mean becoming cold, manipulative, or emotionally cruel. That is where most men misunderstand the concept completely. Emotional uncertainty is not emotional chaos. It is controlled unpredictability. A man becomes psychologically compelling when his behavior feels calm, grounded, yet impossible to fully predict. Sometimes he is deeply engaged and emotionally present. Other times he disappears into his own life without needing constant reassurance or attention. His emotional state remains stable regardless of external validation. That emotional contrast creates tension. And tension is what keeps attraction psychologically alive. When someone always reacts the same way, the brain stops paying close attention. But when interactions contain emotional variation, the mind becomes more alert. Suddenly, every message matters more. Every interaction carries emotional weight. The woman begins studying your behavior unconsciously, trying to understand your emotional world more deeply. This is why women often replay conversations with men they cannot fully read. Not because those men are perfect, but because mystery activates imagination. And imagination is always more emotionally powerful than reality. A predictable man gives answers immediately. A psychologically intriguing man leaves emotional space for curiosity to grow naturally. Silence becomes powerful here. Most men panic during silence because they fear losing connection. But silence creates imagination, and imagination magnifies emotional attachment far more effectively than constant communication ever can. The less emotionally reactive you become, the more space her mind has to wonder about you. Wonder creates anticipation. Anticipation creates dopamine. Dopamine creates craving. That is why emotionally grounded men often appear more attractive without forcing anything. Their energy feels difficult to completely possess emotionally. They do not chase every moment of validation, and because of that, their attention feels more valuable. But there is a dangerous line most men never understand. Emotional uncertainty can either deepen attraction or quietly destroy trust, depending on one specific behavior, and almost nobody notices the difference until it is already too late. Most people misunderstand emotional detachment because they confuse it with indifference. Real detachment is not about caring less, it is about needing less. There is a massive psychological difference between the two. A man who feels emotionally dependent constantly searches for reassurance. He monitors her replies, overthinks her tone, reacts to distance, and slowly loses control over his own emotional state. But a man who is emotionally detached remains centered within himself. He can care deeply without becoming emotionally consumed. That emotional self-control creates power instantly, not loud power, not arrogant power, quiet power, the kind of presence that makes someone feel emotionally stable even during uncertainty. Women notice this faster than most men realize. The man who remains calm when plans change, who does not panic during silence, who does not beg for reassurance, immediately feels psychologically different from the average man chasing validation. Think about how rare that energy actually is. Most people react emotionally the moment they feel insecure. They become needy, reactive, defensive, or desperate for clarity. But emotional composure signals something deeper. It signals self-respect. It signals internal stability. And stability creates attraction because people naturally admire what appears difficult to emotionally influence or control. This is why emotionally grounded men often seem magnetic without forcing attention. They are not constantly trying to impress anyone. They are focused on their own mission, standards, and purpose. Their emotional world does not collapse because one person becomes distant for a few hours. That independence changes the emotional dynamic completely. The moment a woman realizes she cannot emotionally control your state, everything shifts beneath the surface. She notices that your happiness, confidence, and direction do not rise and fall based on her attention. Suddenly, your presence feels more valuable because it no longer feels desperate for approval. Your attention becomes something chosen instead of something constantly given away. Needy energy feels heavy because it silently asks for emotional rescue. Grounded masculine calm feels attractive because it asks for nothing while remaining fully present. One seeks validation. The other embodies self-possession. And human beings instinctively move toward emotional strength because strength creates psychological safety. That is the paradox most men never understand. The more emotionally attached you become to validation, the weaker your presence feels. But the more emotionally centered you become within yourself, the less you need to chase attraction at all. People begin feeling it naturally, because calm emotional certainty is far more powerful than endless pursuit ever will be. Silence is one of the most misunderstood forces in attraction. Most men fear it because silence feels like losing control. The moment replies become slower or emotional distance appears, they rush to close the gap. They text again, explain themselves, seek reassurance, and try to force connection back into place. But the more they chase communication, the more they destroy the very anticipation that keeps attraction emotionally alive. Constant access removes emotional tension. When someone always knows they can reach you instantly, your attention slowly loses psychological weight. Familiarity becomes predictable, and predictability weakens emotional intensity. This is why endless texting often creates temporary comfort, but slowly kills excitement beneath the surface. There is no mystery left, no anticipation, no emotional space for imagination to grow. Emotionally grounded men understand something different. They do not panic during silence because they are not emotionally dependent on constant reassurance. They naturally allow space between interactions, not as a strategy, but because their lives remain emotionally full outside the relationship itself. They can disappear into work, purpose, discipline, or solitude without feeling anxious about losing connection. And ironically, that emotional independence creates stronger attraction than constant attention ever could. People value what they fear losing. Human psychology becomes more emotionally alert when something meaningful feels uncertain or temporarily unavailable. This is why absence amplifies emotional focus. When communication decreases slightly, the mind begins replaying past interactions automatically. A woman starts remembering your voice, your energy, the way you made her feel. Emotional imagination becomes stronger in silence because the brain tries to fill the gap itself. Think about the men women obsess over most. Usually they are not the men sending endless paragraphs every hour. They are the men who leave emotional space behind them. The ones who end conversations first sometimes. The ones who do not emotionally collapse during distance. The ones who remain calm enough to let anticipation build naturally instead of forcing constant interaction. Attention creates comfort. Scarcity creates craving. That single principle explains more about attraction than most dating advice ever will. Comfort feels safe, but craving feels emotionally addictive. When your presence is no longer endlessly predictable, your attention gains emotional value again. And this is where the shift quietly happens. At first, she notices the silence. Then she starts thinking about it. Then she starts wondering why your absence suddenly feels heavier than your presence once did. Without realizing it, her mind begins returning to you repeatedly, searching for emotional certainty that no longer comes so easily. That is when attraction stops feeling casual and starts becoming psychological. Suddenly she catches herself wondering, why am I thinking about him so much? The most dangerous trait in attraction is not looks, money, charm, or perfect communication. It is emotional stability. In a world where most people are emotionally reactive, the person who remains calm under pressure immediately feels different, rare, powerful, unforgettable. Most men become emotionally controlled without realizing it. Their mood changes based on how quickly she replies. Their confidence rises when they receive attention and collapses when they feel ignored. Rejection shakes their identity. Distance creates panic. Silence triggers emotional overthinking. And because of that, they slowly hand over control of their emotional state to someone else. But emotionally unshakable men operate differently. They do not beg for reassurance when tension appears. They do not write emotional paragraphs trying to force clarity. They do not overreact the moment they feel uncertainty. Even when disappointed, they remain composed, grounded, centered within themselves. That emotional discipline creates a level of psychological strength most people rarely encounter. Women feel this immediately because emotional stability signals security. It signals confidence without performance. It signals a man whose identity is not dependent on approval. And psychologically, people are drawn toward emotional strength because it creates a sense of safety and authority at the same time. There is also something deeply attractive about rarity. Calm men are rare. Men who can experience distance without emotionally collapsing are rare. Men who can remain respectful without becoming desperate are rare. That rarity creates value automatically because emotional composure has become uncommon in modern relationships. This is why emotional self-control feels more powerful than attention-seeking behavior ever will. Loud reactions create temporary emotional drama, but calmness creates long-term psychological impact. A man who remains emotionally grounded during pressure communicates something silently. His inner world is stable, and stability is difficult to manipulate. Eventually, the entire dynamic changes beneath the surface. She stops seeing you as another man competing for validation or chasing emotional certainty. You no longer feel emotionally predictable or easily controlled. Your presence begins carrying weight because it feels intentional instead of needy. And that is the moment attraction becomes far deeper than surface-level interest. She stops seeing you as another man chasing attention and starts seeing you as the man she cannot emotionally forget. Most men spend years believing attraction is earned through effort alone. They beg for attention, overtext, over-explain, and slowly abandon their self-respect, trying to hold on to someone emotionally. But real attraction does not grow from desperation. It grows from emotional control, from mystery, from calmness, from the quiet confidence of a man whose emotional stability does not depend on constant validation. The truth is simple. People become emotionally drawn toward what feels grounded, unpredictable, and difficult to fully possess. The moment you stop chasing approval, your energy changes, your presence changes. You stop reacting emotionally to every delay, every silence, every shift in attention. Instead of trying to force attraction, you allow emotional tension and curiosity to work naturally. And that transformation changes everything. You no longer move through relationships anxiously searching for reassurance. You understand emotional psychology now. You understand that attention alone does not create desire. Emotional impact does. You move differently, speak differently, react differently. Calm becomes your advantage. That is why emotionally grounded men leave the deepest impressions. They do not need to control people because they have learned to control themselves first. And in a world full of emotional chaos, that level of composure feels rare. If you have ever destroyed attraction by chasing too hard, comment, "I choose control." And remember this final truth carefully. The man who controls his emotions becomes the man impossible to forget.